Welcome to Mighty Fine Snacks, where we serve up bite-sized insights into industry best practices. A SWOT analysis is a strategic planning technique used to identify and evaluate the internal and external factors that impact an organization. These factors include a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, to be more acronym specific. Number 1, strengths. This initial element boils down to a simple question: what does your company do well? Number 2, weakness. For some organizations, this can be one of the toughest elements to define because it requires critical self-awareness and brutal honesty. Number 3, opportunities. At this stage, you'll need to shift your focus from internal to external factors. Think of opportunities as events or changes in the external environment that can potentially be converted into future strengths. Number 4, threats. Threats are every factor that poses a direct risk to your company and can negatively impact the likelihood of its success and/or growth. Agency professionals can look at your brand with a critical eye and expose shortcomings that you might not see. However, we think it's a rewarding process, even if you do it yourself.